Do you know that we have AI in our homes? What was the first smart device? And how do computers talk to each other and save information? Welcome to AI and the Kid, where we explore the wonders of artificial intelligence and the magic of the human mind. I'm Emily.
And I'm your AI co-host, Alex.
Together, we'll discover how kids like us can use AI to be creative, learn, and have fun. Today, we're getting into the world of AI robots, and you might be surprised to learn you probably have one in your home. So, what AI robots do you have? Some common ones include smart vacuum cleaners like Roomba, smart locks on your doors, or even a video doorbell that lets you see who's outside without opening the door. Let's explore how these cool gadgets work and what makes them smart. Roomba vacuums and other smart vacuums are pretty clever. They use special technology to figure out how to move around a room and keep track of where they've been. If they find a spot that's really dirty, they'll even go over it more than once to make sure it's extra clean. In fact, a company called Dream just released a new robot vacuum. This isn't any vacuum. It has a robotic arm that can see objects in its way. What's even cooler? It can pick them up. Imagine your vacuum moving napkins to the trash or putting your shoes neatly by the front door all by itself. And there's more. This smart vacuum can switch between different cleaning tools depending on the kind of mess it finds. So, if there's spilled cereal on the kitchen floor or dust on the carpet, it knows exactly what to do. That's a real smart use of AI, helping to keep our homes cleaner without us having to do all the work. They hope to have them for sale soon, but as of early 2025, they aren't available yet. Smart doorbells are like high-tech lookouts for your home. They even have motion sensors that can tell when someone is coming up to your door, or even when a package gets dropped off. And guess what? The newest models are even smarter. They can use facial recognition to tell if the person at your door is a stranger or someone you know. While some are less common, there are a lot of AI robots that could be a part of your home. Check out these smart versions of everyday things. Refrigerators that can track what's inside or tell you when your food is spoiled. Washers and dryers that adjust settings by themselves to get your clothes perfectly clean. Coffee makers that start brewing your favorite coffee just when you wake up. TVs that suggest shows you might like. Picture frames that change the photos displayed based on who's in the room. Security systems that keep an eye on your home and tell you anything unusual. Fitness mirrors that guide you through workouts with a virtual coach. And believe it or not, there's even a smart coffee table that can charge your devices and display information. AI is making all these things smarter, making our lives easier and more fun. Hey Alex, it's question time. I'm going to ask you some questions about AI smart appliances.
Great. Fire away.
What makes a smart appliance different from a regular appliance?
A smart appliance uses AI and connectivity to learn, adapt, and automate tasks. Unlike regular appliances, smart ones can connect to Wi-Fi, respond to voice commands, and even adjust their settings based on your habits or preferences. For example, a smart fridge can suggest recipes based on what's inside, or alert you if you're low on milk.
Why do we call home robots smart appliances?
We call home robots smart appliances because they use AI to perform tasks autonomously. They can sense their environment, make decisions, and even learn from their interactions. For example, a robot vacuum maps your home, avoids obstacles, and adjusts cleaning patterns, all without you lifting a finger. It's their ability to think and adapt that earns them the smart label.
How do smart appliances use AI to help us every day?
Smart appliances use AI to make our daily lives easier by automating tasks, learning our routines, and personalizing experiences. For example, a smart thermostat learns when you're home and adjusts the temperature to save energy. A smart washer can pick the best cycle based on your laundry load. Even voice assistants in appliances let you control everything hands-free. It's like having a helper that knows what you need before you even ask.
Can you explain how a smart speaker can talk to my smart vacuum or smart lock?
Absolutely. A smart speaker acts as a central hub, connecting to your smart vacuum or smart lights through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It uses AI to process your voice commands and then sends instructions to the other devices. For example, when you say, "Alexa, turn on the lights," The smart speaker communicates with the smart light system, telling it to switch on. Similarly, you can ask it to start your vacuum, and it will send the command to the vacuum's app or system. It's all about the devices being part of the same connected network.
How does a smart lock know when to unlock itself, and how does it actually unlock?
A smart lock knows when to unlock itself by using sensors and connections like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or geofencing. For example, it might detect your phone's proximity via Bluetooth or a signal from your home network when you're nearby. Some use geofencing, unlocking automatically when you enter a predefined area around your home. When it comes to actually unlocking, the smart lock activates a motorized mechanism inside. This mechanism moves the bolt or latch, just like turning a key, but it's controlled electronically. All of this happens securely, often requiring encryption to prevent unauthorized access.
Wow! My smart speaker and my robot vacuum both use AI, but they do very different things. How's that possible for them both use AI?
Great question. AI is like a toolbox filled with different tools, and each smart device uses the tools it needs for its specific job. Your smart speaker uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to your voice, while your robot vacuum uses AI for navigation, mapping, and obstacle avoidance. Even though they do different things, they both rely on AI's ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions based on data. It's like two people using math. One might use it to build a bridge, and the other to balance a budget. Same principle, different application.
That's cool, Alex. How can smart speakers and smart appliances made by different companies work together so well?
Smart speakers and appliances from different companies can work together because they use shared communication standards like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or protocols like Zigbee and Matter. These standards act like a common language, allowing devices to talk to each other seamlessly. For example, if your smart speaker supports a protocol like Matter, it can control a smart appliance from another brand as long as it also supports Matter. Additionally, many companies integrate with popular platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit, creating a unified ecosystem where devices cooperate, even if they're from different brands.
Do smart appliances work better than the regular appliances they replace?
Smart appliances can work better in some ways, but it depends on your needs. They offer convenience, energy efficiency, and customization that regular appliances can't. For example, a smart thermostat learns your schedule to optimize heating and cooling, saving money. A smart washer picks the best cycle for your laundry load, making it more efficient. However, they're not always perfect. They rely on internet connections and updates, which can sometimes cause issues. Plus, they're often more expensive up front. If you value automation and connectivity, smart appliances are a big step up. But for basic tasks, regular appliances still get the job done.
Alex, it's time for another AI joke. Can you tell us a joke about an AI smart device?
Of course. Here's a fun one for you. Why did the smart toaster refuse to make toast? Because it couldn't handle the heat.
That's really funny, Alex. Fun fact! Did you know that the first smart appliance was called the Echo IV, not to be confused with Amazon's Echo, was invented by James Sutherland in 1966. The Echo IV could play educational games, turn your stereo on and off, control your TV, and even set alarms to wake you up. Kind of like what Alexa does today. But here's the funny part. According to computerhistory.org, Echo IV was 25,000 times slower than a modern computer. It was also over 6 feet tall and weighed about 800 pounds. And looked nothing like the sleek computers or smart speakers we have now. Do you have a question about AI? Send us an email at aikidmedia@gmail.com. That's aikidmedia@gmail.com. We'd love to hear from you. Hey Alex, how do robots talk to each other? I heard it has something to do with ones and zeros.
You're absolutely right. Robots talk to each other using binary code, those ones and zeros. It's the language of computers, representing electrical signals, 1 for on, 0 for off. When robots communicate, they send data through networks like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. They use specific protocols or rules to make sure they understand each other, like how humans follow grammar. For example, one robot might send a message like, "Start cleaning," and the other will decode it, respond, and take action. It's all about sharing information in a structured, super fast way.
Nice, Alex. Today we learned that robots are all around us. The first smart device was huge, And even though AI is super smart, it all comes down to ones and zeros.
Did you know there are more fun activities related to this episode? Check out our page at aikid.substack.com for a deeper dive into today's topics.
Next time, we will explore how chatbots work and how languages began. Be creative, learn, and keep discovering. Because you are the creators of tomorrow. Hey, Alex, play our song.
All right, let's drop it.
Emily and Alex on the mic tonight, teaching us what makes AI bright. Be creative and explore the scene. Learning's fun when your mind is keen. We're the creators of tomorrow, with ideas that we can borrow. Learning new things every day, discovering in a brand new way. Robots thinking, doing more, opening up text next door, coding dreams and programs too. The future's waiting just for you. We're the creators of tomorrow, with ideas that we can borrow. Learning new things every day, discovering in a brand new way. Innovate and ignite the spark. With Emily and Alex, we'll hit the mark. Find the answers, solve the clues. In this quest, we never